Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you the definitions of 45 words about baking terms. Number 1. Aerate means to incorporate air into something, usually a butter. Number 2. Batch, it means amount of bread, cookies, etc. that made from one bake. Number 3. Batter means a mixture of dry and liquid ingredients such as eggs, flour, and milk or water. Similar to dough, but it has a much thinner consistency and cannot be kneaded. Number 4. Beat means mixing a mixture rapidly and intensely to combine ingredients and incorporate air into the mixture, typically done with a whisk or mixer. Number 5. Blend, mixing two substances together so that they become incorporated together. Number 6. Boil, for liquids, to heat the liquid until it reaches its boiling point, and for a subject, to place the thing into boiling liquid. Number 7. Caramelization. It is a process of cooking sugar until it turns brown. When sugar is heated to high temperatures, it undergoes chemical changes and breaks down. Number 8. Chop, using a knife or sharp object to repeatedly cut something into small pieces. Number 9. Coat, to cover something with a wet or dry substance. For example, after baking, bread loaves are usually coated with a layer of butter. Number 10. Combine, to mix two ingredients together. Number 11. Consistency, the texture and thickness of a substance. Number 12. Cool, it is allowing something to reduce in temperature. Number 13. Cream, softening butter or other solid fats such as lard in mixing them with other ingredients. Number 14. Crimp, technique of pinching the sides and tops of pie or tart crust. Number 15. Curdling, it happens when a liquid separates and forms curds and lumps. Number 16. Cut in verb, mixing butter or shortening into the flour using a knife or pastry blender until they are well mixed. Number 17. Defrost, to remove the ice or frost from something frozen by increasing its temperature. Number 18. Dilute, thinning a liquid by adding in water or another solvent. Number 19. Dip in verb, to immerse something into a dry or liquid mixture. Number 20. Dissolve, to incorporate a solid ingredient, food, to a liquid to form a solution or mixture. 21. Dough, a thick mixture made by combining flour or meal with a liquid, usually refers to bread or pastry dough, and it is stiff enough to be kneaded and rolled. 22. Drizzle, the process of pouring a thin stream of liquid such as glaze or butter over food. 23. Dust, the process of sprinkling a thin layer of powdered ingredient such as cocoa powder, flour, and confectioner's sugar over food. 24. Essence, for baking flavorings, an artificial substance. For example, vanilla essence is made synthetically unlike vanilla extract. 25. Fermentation, it is a process that converts the sugars and starch in bread dough into simpler substances such as carbon dioxide, which causes dough to rise, producing the hollow texture you see in bread. 26. Firm peaks, refers to a stage in whipping. When you lift up your beaters or whisk, the peaks should hold their shape better than soft peaks. Number 27. Fold, a technique used to describe the gentle incorporation of dry to liquid ingredients. It is typically done using a whisk or rubber spatula. Number 28. Glaze. To make the surface of a food shiny by coating with a layer of sugar, butter, or any other glossy liquid. Number 29. Grease. And verb. To lubricate or oil something, usually a pan, with a fat, usually butter. 30. Incorporate. To add one substance to another and mix them together such that they are evenly distributed. 31. Knead. To work dough, usually for bread, by massaging, stretching, pulling, and folding it. 32. Light and fluffy. Typically used to describe the final or optimal state of creaming butter and sugar. 33. Lumpy. Used to describe the texture of a substance, not smooth, has lumps. 34. Melt. Heating a solid product to form a liquid. 35. Mince. Using a knife or sharp object to chop something very finely or into very small pieces. 36. Mix. To combine two or more substances together. 37. Mold. To pinch or give shape to something, such as bread or pie dough. 38. Peel. Noun. The outer skin or covering of a food such as an orange or lemon. In verb, removing the outer layer or skin of something. 39. Pinch. Using your fingers to press something together. 40. Preheat. Turning the oven or pan beforehand to let it come to the desired temperature. 41. Proof. Letting the shape bread dough have its final rise before baking. 42. Scald. Heating liquid until it reaches the temperature just before its boiling point, indicated by the formation of small bubbles around the edges of your pan. 43. Score. Slashing the surface of food such as bread or pie dough, cakes, and meat using a sharp knife. 44. Scrape. Using a sharp-edged instrument to remove something from a surface. For example, scraping bread dough from a work table. 45. Simmer. The process of bringing a liquid to a temperature that is slightly below its boiling point and letting it bubble gently. So that would be all for today, guys. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.